Ever wondered why that apple turns brown when you leave it out in the open? Or what gives vanilla its sweet aroma? The answer lies in a class of organic compounds called carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds, in the world of chemistry, are a significant group of substances characterized by the presence of a carbonyl group. This group, consisting of a carbon atom and an oxygen atom joined by a double bond, forms the epicenter of these compounds. Diving deeper into the structure of carbonyl compounds, the carbon atom in the carbonyl group has a positive partial charge due to the electronegative oxygen pulling electrons away from it. This polarized structure attracts nucleophiles, substances that donate electron pairs, making carbonyl compounds prime targets for nucleophilic attack. Carbonyl compounds come in different forms, depending on what groups of atoms are attached to the carbonyl carbon. If hydrogen atoms are attached, it forms a compound known as an aldehyde. If an alkyl or aryl group is attached, it's a ketone. And when a hydroxyl group is attached, it forms a carboxylic acid. These compounds are not just structurally interesting, they also possess fascinating properties. One of the essential characteristics of carbonyl compounds is their reactivity. The polarization of the carbonyl group makes these compounds react with a variety of substances, leading to numerous chemical reactions. Another intriguing property of carbonyl compounds is their ability to form hydrogen bonds with water. This gives many carbonyl compounds relatively high boiling points and makes them soluble in water. Carbonyl compounds also have a considerable impact on our senses. Many of these compounds are responsible for the flavors and fragrances we encounter in everyday life. For instance, vanillin, the primary component of vanilla extract, is a type of carbonyl compound known as an aldehyde. To summarize, carbonyl compounds are a group of organic substances defined by the presence of a carbonyl group, a carbon and oxygen atom connected by a double bond. This structure, polarized due to the electronegative oxygen, makes carbonyl compounds reactive and prone to nucleophilic attacks. These compounds come in various forms, including aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, depending on what groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon. They exhibit intriguing properties, like their reactivity, ability to form hydrogen bonds with water, and influence on our senses through flavors and fragrances. Carbonyl compounds, in their various forms and with their diverse properties, play an integral role in the chemistry that surrounds us and even influences our daily lives. They're in the apple that turns brown on your kitchen counter, the vanilla scent wafting from your morning coffee, and countless other places, making the world a more flavorful, aromatic, and fascinating place to live.